हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू आवर चैनल गल्फ जॉब स्टेशन। मैं हूं खुशबू और अगेन कुछ और जॉब्स के साथ हाजिर हूं आप सभी के सामने। अगेन गल्फ की ही जीसीसी की ही रिक्वायरमेंट, एज आप सभी को पता है जिसका चैनल्स नेम इज़ गल्फ जॉब स्टेशन। सो ये इस चैनल पे मैं हम जीसीसी की रिक्वायरमेंट पोस्ट करते हैं। जीसीसी मतलब कतार, कुवैत, सऊदी, बहरीन, ओमान, यूएई, सो ऑन, राइट। सो अगेन कुछ और कंपनीज, कुछ और रिक्वायरमेंट्स, कुछ और लोकेशंस, काफ़ी सारी डिफरेंट कंपनीज़ यहाँ पे कवर करने वाले हैं, काफ़ी सारी डिफरेंट रिक्वायरमेंट्स कवर होने वाली है। तो प्लीज़ वॉच द वीडियो कम्प्लीटली एंड केयरफुली। यू आर गोइंग टू गेट सो मेनी रिक्वायरमेंट्स विद ऑल द डिटेल्स, राइट। सो डू नॉट स्किप इट, प्लीज़ वॉच इट केयरफुली एंड कम्प्लीटली। अच्छा, आपको लगता है कि रिक्वायरमेंट्स आप पे काम की नहीं है तो शेयर कर दीजिएगा कुछ और लोगों तक, ताकि कुछ और लोगों की जॉब में हेल्प हो पाएगी। और इफ़ यू फील दैट वीडियो इज़ रियली गुड, यूज़फुल एंड useful for you, you can simply click on the like button. It will just motivate us, right? So now let's not waste the time and talk about the requirement. Okay, so here, as I mentioned you, I'm going to cover so many different companies requirements. So let's start with Fibrex Construction Company Group. So this is the construction company, actually Fibrex, Fibrex, Fibrex Construction Group. अगर आपको वेबसाइट चाहिए, यू कैन सिंपली राइट डाउन द फैब्रिक्स कंस्ट्रक्शन ग्रुप ऑन द गूगल. You will get the website and other details. Also, I'm not going to share about the website here because there's videos going to be really long. So this is the reason. You can if you are not getting any website, you can comments me and you can write me on the comment section. I will try to answer you there. Okay, so Fibrex Construction Company urgently hiring for HSE officer. They have 5 requirements. So first requirement is for HSE officer. Must be bachelor degree graduate with NEBOSH certified. Okay. Second requirement they have for internal audit finance. Fibrex is urgently looking for inter audit with the below qualification: bachelor degree in commerce or finance or equivalent, ACCA or CA or CIA qualified, 3 to 5 years of experience with construction company. That is specifically mentioned construction company. Okay, willing to work in RAZ Al Khaimah is a good location. Who can join immediately without notice. Okay, third requirement they have for land surveyor. Okay, so land surveyor with experience in construction and composites company, bachelor degree holder attested by the MoFA, willing to be relocated in either Dubai or Abu Dhabi, can start immediately. This is for the third requirement. Fourth requirement they have for civil 3D draftsman. For civil 3D draftsman, here's a few points: bachelor degree attested by the MoFA with experience in infra and utilities, a must, with NEBOSH work software experience, willing to join immediately and ready to relocate either Dubai or UAE, Abu Dhabi. The fifth requirement they have for technical engineer, office engineer. Again, 5 points are there: bachelor degree in engineering attested by the MoFA with experience in infra and utilities. Third is checking technical matters related to the properties of materials, quality of the work and the technical methodology of work construction, willing to be relocated in either Abu Dhabi or UAE, Dubai, willing to join immediately. ओके, सो ये 3 रिक्वायरमेंट्स फाइब्रेक्स होल्डिंग की, फाइब्रेक्स कंस्ट्रक्शन ग्रुप की। फर्स्ट थी यहाँ पे HSE ऑफिसर की, सेकंड रिक्वायरमेंट थी इंटरनल ऑडिट, थर्ड रिक्वायरमेंट है फॉर लैंड सर्वेयर, फोर्थ इज फॉर civil 3D draftsman, and the fourth and the last requirement they have for technical engineer. Now let's talk about how to apply for this job. Okay, here I am going to give some points. I just first thing, if you are applying for this job, please to mention the position name on the subject line. If you are applying for technical engineer, office engineer, you can simply write down for the position of technical engineer. Okay, description box or mail body should not be empty. You can simply write down your current your name, your contact number, your present location, your preferred location. Okay, as this job is for Abu Dhabi or Dubai location, so you can write down preferred location UAE. Okay, current CTC, expected CTC. If you have any offer in hand, you can write down your offer in hand and amount. Your current CTC, expected one, as I told you, and your total experience and relevant experience. And you can attach your CV with the good picture, with the recent picture, and share your CV. The email ID is careers @fibrexholding.com, which you can see on the screen. So let me explain for you. careers @fibrexholding.com, which you can see on the screen also. So ये थी पहली requirement जो कि थी Fibrex construction group की. Now let's talk about the second requirement. So the second requirement, company name is JSI. Okay, if you simply Google about it, the website is www.jsi.com. Okay, they are into building strong health system and healthier communication. So they are into health system. Okay, and they have more than 3,000 public healthcare and health system consultant and researchers driven by a patient to improve health services. So basically they are into health. If you are more interested, you can simply go to their website and you will get all the details they about their what they do, and so many things they are in, they mentioned there on their website their expertise. They are into applied research and evaluation, behavior health, healthy communities, digital health, capacity building, global health supply chain, health system strengthen, HIV infection disease, immunity, social behavior change, women, so on. You can simply check on their website, you will get all the details. I have already mentioned the website. I'll try to mention the website on the description box also. Okay, as I mentioned already, the company name is JSI. Okay, they have 3 requirements. We are looking for below positions. Okay, first requirement is for planning engineer with experience in EOT claim. Second is for fit out engineer with 5 years experience in civil works, and third requirement is for project manager with design background and DM unlimited license. How to apply for the job? Okay, who can join immediately can apply. So the condition is, if you are okay to join immediately, then you can apply. Email ID is right in front of you, which is hr.jsi@jsi-me.com, which you can see on the screen. So ये requirement company JSI की. Now let's talk about the other requirement, the third requirement. So here the company name is Al Andalus Power Electromechanical Work LLC. I know the name is quite difficult to sound, or maybe I'm not pronouncing properly. If you have any doubt, you can simply go to the description box and check. I'll try to mention everything there. Okay, so here we are hiring for experienced mechanical drafting full time. The candidate should be available in UAE. This is the condition they mentioned here. The candidate should be available in UAE. Okay, so they have requirement for mechanical drafting, experienced mechanical draftsman, you can say. So the email ID where you need to share your CV is info@alandalUSMEP.com, which you can see on the screen. Sometime बोलने में मेरे से बहुत सारी गलतियाँ हो जाती है. जो सामने लिखा हुआ है स्क्रीन पे वो बिल्कुल सही है, उसी पे आप ध्यान दिया कीजिएगा. So ये थी requirement Al Andalus Power Electromechanical Work LLC की. Now let's talk about the next requirement. Look, here the company name is Dulsco, DULSCO. Position है mechanical technician और and fitter. Salary 2,300 AED plus accommodation and transportation. Job location Dubai UAE. Industry food manufacturing or processing. Requirement है applicants shall have 1 to 2 years of experience in some capacity in dairy industry. Mechanical technician fitter requirement है, उसी के points I'm just explaining here. Applicants shall have 1 to 2 years of experience in the same capacity in dairy industry. Second is shall have good English communication skill. Okay, third point is only those who will be considered who are inside UAE with immediate available. Okay, if you are interested, you can simply write down the position name. So if you're really interested, you can simply write down the position name on the subject line, which is diary mechanical fitter, and share your CV. You share your updated CV to the given email ID, which is raheel.aslam@dulsco.com, which you can see on the screen. So ये थी requirement DULSCO, DULSCO, DULSCO company की. Now let's talk about the next requirement. So the next requirement here, the company name is DX Contracting LLC. DX Contracting LLC. We are looking for experienced LD driver with valid UAE manual license, previous experience of work as company driver, executive driver is an advantage. So I remember just I guess it's been 2 days only, I got a message from someone that please try to share some requirement for driver. So here I am with driver requirement. So as I mentioned already, I'm repeating for you. DX Contracting LLC, LLC, yeah, company name. We are looking for experienced LD driver with valid UAE manual license, previous experience in working as company driver or executive driver is an advantage. यहाँ पे रिक्वायरमेंट है ड्राइवर की, और अगर आपने पहले ड्राइविंग किया हुआ है या ड्राइविंग असिस्टेंट का काम किया हुआ है तो एक आपको एडवांटेज मिलेगा. कैंडिडेट शुड बी एबल टू स्पीक इंग्लिश, अरबिक एंड हिंदी. जो कैंडिडेट है उनको इंग्लिश, अरबिक और हिंदी बोलना आना चाहिए. If anybody interested and available for immediate join, please share your CV. Share your updated CV with the subject as executive driver. अगर आप इंटरेस्टेड है तो अपना CV शेयर कर सकते हैं. आप सब्जेक्ट लाइन में ज़रूर मेंशन कीजिएगा एग्जीक्यूटिव ड्राइवर. ईमेल आईडी, जिस ईमेल आईडी पे आपको अपना CV शेयर करना है वो है hr@dxccontracting.ae. आपके सामने है ईमेल आईडी. अगर आप तुरंत ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं तो आपके लिए बहुत अच्छी बात है ये. ठीक है. सो ये थी रिक्वायरमेंट ड्राइवर की. नाउ लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द नेक्स्ट रिक्वायरमेंट. Okay, here is the next requirement. This company name is NBTC Group. NBTC, which is Nasser Muhammad Al Badaha and partner. Okay, this is I'm repeating for you. You can also get the website. It's quite easy. You just write down this name NBTC on the Google and just click. You'll get the website. So NBTC Group, Nasser Muhammad Al Badaha and partner for general contracting. www.nbtcgroup.com. Okay, and they are into engineering, construction, MEP, manufacturing, inspection and services, ready mix supply. They have so many projects going on. You can see on their website. It's quite interesting. It's very interesting actually. They have very interesting website. You please go through it and check their website. You will amazed to see their things. They are well settled company, well established company, I would say. Okay, location UAE Abu Dhabi, and they have many requirements. So let's talk about this. So company NBTC Group, Nasser Muhammad Al Badaha and partner for general contracting company. They have first requirement for senior engineer estimation. Okay, qualification. First, we are talking about the first requirement. Qualification: graduate BE or BTech in civil engineering. Experience is 15 plus years in techno-commercial proposal, cost estimation. UAE experience mandatory in oil and gas sector. Worked with ad hoc projects would be preferred. Second requirement they have for QA and QC manager, civil. Qualification: BSc engineering and civil discipline. Qualified lead auditor. Experience is of plant construction, experience in oil and gas sector, approved as manager QA/QC from ADNOC mandatory, 5 to 10 years of related to management quality system with oil and gas industry. Okay, third requirement they have for office HSE. Qualification: bachelor degree in any discipline or diploma in engineering with regular college study from reputed university or technical board. Professional technical qualification: minimum one of the following: NEBOSH, IGC or HSE training. Qualification will be added advantage. Experience: minimum 5 years of experience out of which minimum 2 years in monitoring HSE implementation in oil and gas industry, oil and gas construction and commissioning knowledge will be added advantage. So yes, they have 3 requirements. First is for senior engineering estimation, second is for site QA and QC manager civil, and third is for Q office HSE. अवेलेबल इमीडिएट जॉइनर अगर आप है तो आपको ज़्यादा प्रेफरेंस दिया जाएगा. सो नाउ लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द ईमेल आईडी वेयर यू नीड टू शेयर योर सीवी, राइट. सो ईमेल आईडी is careers@nbtc-group.com, which you can see on the screen also. Please do mention the position name on the subject line, as I always tell you. Now let's talk about the next requirement. Here the company name is Al Obaidi Group, ALOBAIDI, Al Obaidi Group. Hiring in Dubai, logistic and custom clearance assistant. So the requirement is for logistic and custom clearance assistant, able to join immediately with the following experience: customs and export submit document, experience of submit the document by Dubai Trade, missile to RTA system, knowledge of export clearance and register required document, daily work and report, and has driving license. How to apply for this job? Please to mention the position name, which is logistics and custom clearance assistant, on the subject line, and share your CV to the given email ID, which is careers@alobAidi-cars.com, which you can see on the screen also. Now let's talk about the next requirement. Which is hotel requirement. So we are hiring for the following roles to join mezzanine bar and kitchen here in Dubai. They have 2 requirements, which is first one is a restaurant manager and the second is for floor supervisor. How to apply? Email ID is right in front of you, which is jobs@MEZZANINEDUBAI.com. I already told you many times that sometimes whenever I speak, I do mistake while speaking actually. So whatever is written in front of you on the screen, please write down from there only. Please just take the email IDs from there only and share your CV. You can take the simply screenshot and write down somewhere, or simply type and keep, right? So this is the email ID which is showing on the screen. Okay, now let's talk about the next requirement. No, this is for Kuwait and this is for Saudi Arabia, which you will get in another video. So हाँ जी, तो ये थी रिक्वायरमेंट्स आपके लिए. होप आपने देखा बहुत सारी रिक्वायरमेंट्स थी. फर्स्ट रिक्वायरमेंट आई शेयर फॉर फाइब्रेक्स कंस्ट्रक्शन ग्रुप की, मैंने शेयर किया था आपके साथ. सेकंड रिक्वायरमेंट थी JSI की. थर्ड रिक्वायरमेंट आई हैव शेयर्ड फॉर अल अंदालस पावर इलेक्ट्रोमैकेनिकल वर्क LLC. थर्ड रिक्वायरमेंट इज डल्सको. Next was DX Contracting LLC, and then NBTC Group, Nasir Mohammed Al Badhan partner for General Contracting Company. उसके बाद I have shared Al Obadi Group, and the last was Mezzanine Bar and Kitchen. Yes. So these many requirements I have shared with you with all the email IDs. If you feel that these requirements are really useful for you, you can simply attach your CV. You just please write down, attach your CV and take the email IDs from here and share your CV to the given email IDs. Please always, whenever you are going to share the CV, do the write down the position name on the subject line. Do not miss it. Position name on the subject line, and what description box or mail body should not be empty, should never be empty. You please keep it in your mind. Let me give you an example. If you are just simply sitting and checking your Gmail or any Outlook or something, and if you suddenly get a CV or something from somewhere without any subject line, would you open that? Will you open that email? You just answer me. If not, then why will others? No one will. Being an HR, I'm telling you, no, I'm not going to, or any HR HRs are not going to open that email. So please do mention the subject line, always the position name on the subject line. Description box would not be empty. You can simply write down your name, your contact number, your present location, your preferred location, your present company, okay, your total experience, your relevant experience, your current CTC, if you have any offer in hand, you can write down your offer in hand and mention the amount, and your expected CTC, your notice period, like in how many days you can join, in 10 days, in 1 week, in 15 days, in 1 month, in 3 months, depends. So you please write down your notice period, and if you are somewhere out of the country, you can write down your visa status. It is on whatever the status is there, you can simply write down, and attach your updated CV should be attractive, and your picture, your recent picture, attach with the email, and just write down your email ID and click on the send button. Simple. Yes, it is very simple. Okay, apart from it, if you are looking some other kind of job in some other location, you can simply write down on the comment section. I will try my best to find the requirements for you and try to share it with you. And if you can, if you feel like okay, fine, these requirements are not useful for me, this is like I'm well settled, I don't need for this kind of jobs, please do share the videos, please do share the requirements with others, because so many people are there who are looking to work in JCC, who are really looking for job change. So it will be a great help for them. So please share the videos if you like our work, because we are really trying our best to find the requirements for you, and just recording all the videos and sharing with you, it's not that easy. So if you really feel that okay, these things are somewhere good or helpful for you, please click on the like button. If you still did not subscribe the channel, please do click on the subscribe button and subscribe the channel. And yes, thanks for watching. Good luck, take care. I guess enough for today. We'll meet you soon with some more videos. Thank you so much. Good luck, take care, and bye bye.